Hello to one and all. A very beautiful good morning to all of you. And today I am here with my show Coffee with Bajrang. And today we have a very special guest. He is a success man and he is very ambitious person. So firstly, without wasting our time, I would like to call him. Hello sir.
Hello.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you sir?
I'm fine. And what about you?
And how was feeling after before coming in my show?
So I watched your show so many times. Yeah, but at that time I thought that I would be go there, and today I'm here. So
Now-
that is very excited for me. So
And now how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very great.
Very great.
Yeah, and
Okay.
thank you for inviting me in this show.
Okay, welcome sir. I will invite you again.
Yeah.
And so you are a success man. Just I want to know what is the meaning of success.
Success is that when you watch any dream in your mind
Yes.
and you gave your best for that to take your dream. So at that time, it's if that dream is a fulfilled. So that
In your life.
in this because sometimes I feel low, but at that time I thought that it's my dream, and how can I thought negative for that place. So many times I give my hard work, and the first thing is that is a discipline from that in this field. So we are giving our best always. So
Sir, I thought I have a question in my mind.
Yeah.
Your family is very big and you are living with joint family.
Yeah.
Some people after getting success and they left their parents and also brothers. So how do you manage all the things? Because you don't left your parents and your brothers. You are 5 brothers and you are living very happy.
Because you know that we are living in a joint family. It's a joint. So they always encourage you. Yeah, they always motivate you whenever you feel negative. Yeah, at that time. And if I talk about my family, they always encourage me and always motivated me. So at that time I live with my family. So it gives me great. It feels me great. So at that time I thought that I will be live with my family always. Yeah.
Sir, you are genius and also you are very handsome. And now you are success. So
Yeah.
in your life, I think so many girls dated you and so many girls proposed you. So do you share with us?
If
Can
I
you
talk
share with
about
us some-
myself, so in my first, there are some girls they proposed me, but at that time, sometimes I also denied. Yeah, and if I talk about that currently, so in a current time, I'm not dating anyone.
So who was pretty according to you?
Yeah, not that according to me. That
Wanted to-
someone person said that things.
You wanted to be live with relationship.
Sometimes I thought that, but at the end, I'm thinking about that. I will be married with any other person that my father choose for me.
So right now, whom are you dating?
And currently, I'm not dating anyone.
Why?
Because I don't have a time, because you know that I have a great post and I have a responsibility. I have a responsibility from that place. So in that time.
So sir, actually you have a very good knowledge about the family. So do you think just marriage is necessary?
Yeah, I think marriage is a necessity. If we are talking about that, if you watch your religious
Yes.
in Hindus and any Muslims anywhere, so at that time you watch that if you talk about that a God, so at that time they all have a great partner. So I think it's a necessary in our
Can
life.
we live without marriage, without someone? People says life is very difficult
but we are not complete without someone.
without someone.
Yeah.
So do you prefer love marriage or arranged marriage?
So I prefer that if you have any great love, she's loyal for you.
Yes.
So at that time the love marriages are good, but sometimes the love marriage have so many causes from there. So we are going to arrange marriage from that place.
So you will arrange marriage.
I will be. That is happened with my future. So I
What
will
do you
be,
think
watch
about
that.
gold digger girls?
Well, they always thinking about money. I know that. Yeah.
Sir, and now I have a question. Everyone is in misunderstanding between the goals and dreams. So, can you give the suggestions and your opinions, and can you share
About
your
the dreams.
experience and also the difference between?
Difference.
So
If I
we
talk
can
about-
know about the difference.
Yeah, if I talk about that dream, so dream is that I want to be in that place, but you don't give your effort from that place to reach that place. Yeah, but if I talk about that a goal, so goal is that if you watch in your dreams, so at that time you gave your 100% for that. You never thought anything about this part. You always think that I will be go there and I will be take this opportunity for me. So that is a
Okay,
goal.
sir. So
in our life.
let's we go for rapid fire.
Okay, so you can.
you have to select one. I will ask.
That is a
you two.
great
Yes,
thing.
yes. Whiskey or rum?
Always rum because that sounds look like as a dum.
Sun or moon?
Sorry,
Sun or moon?
that is a moon.
Moon.
Yeah,
Okay. Lakes and rivers.
always rivers because they float every time.
Mountains, waterfalls.
Waterfalls, they looks pretty.
They look pretty. So ponds and gardens.
Always garden because we interact with so many people in that place.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so